Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to calculate relative molecular mass of complex compounds. So let's dive into the class. Okay, here we are asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of lead 2-triiodonitrate 5 with 2 molecules of water. It is very simple. Let's solve. Now, first of all, you have to know who has who. What do we mean by that? For example, here oxygen has these 3, whereas these 2 is owned by both nitrogen and oxygen since they are in the brackets. Here, these 2 is owned by hydrogen and oxygen, but this other 2 here is owned by hydrogen only. This is very important in calculation of relative molecular mass. So let's look at this. Lead is 207 plus, then this 2 is multiplying everything in the bracket. So we're going to put 2 like this, and then nitrogen is 14 plus oxygen has 3. 3 times 16. Then I'm going to put the dot and 2 into hydrogen here has 2. So 2 times hydrogen is 1 plus oxygen is 16. So we have that 207 plus 2 into 14 plus 30. This times this will give us what? Will give us 48 into 2. 2 times 1, 2 plus 16. I hope we are following. Then 207 plus 2 into 14 plus 48. This plus this, 12. This plus this plus 1, 6. Into 2 into 18. So we have that 207 plus, this times this is 4. This times this is 12. Now this into, we are going to convert it to plus. So this times this will give us what? 36. So we are going to add up everything. We are going to add up everything with our calculator. And let's find out what our calculator says. 207 plus 124 plus 36. That is going to give us 367. Answer. Please, relative molecular mass has no units. So this is going to be without units. Isn't that simple? Let's solve another question. Okay, let's look at this question. Now, this 2 belongs to aluminium. This 3 belongs to both sulfur and oxygen. However, this 4 belongs to oxygen alone. So let's solve. Aluminium is 2 times 27 plus this 3 is multiplying everything in the brackets. 3 into sulfur is 32. Oxygen has a 4, so we have to put the 4 before multiplying by 16. So you have that 2 times 27 is 54 plus 3 into 32 plus 4 times 16 is going to give us 64. So we have that 54 plus 3 into this plus this 6, this plus this 9. 54 into 3 times this 18 into this 288. So we are going to add up with our calculator. 288 plus 54, and that is going to give us 342. Answer. Let's look at another question. Okay, so let's solve this question. We have that this 4 belongs to oxygen, while this 5 belongs both to hydrogen and oxygen. This 2 belongs to hydrogen only. So we have that copper is 63.5 plus sulfur is, okay, we weren't getting sulfur here, but sulfur is 32. Sulfur is 32 plus oxygen. Oxygen is 4 times 16 into 5. I usually ask you to put it this way so that you don't mistake your values. So you have that hydrogen is 2 times 1 plus oxygen is 16. So you have 63.5 plus 32 plus this times this is going to give us 64 into 5. 2 times 1, 2 plus 16. You have that 63.5 plus 32 plus 64. We are going to convert these dots to plus. 5 into 18. So this is going to be 63.5 plus 32 plus 64 plus this times this will give us 90. So we are going to add up. We are going to add up with our calculator and see what the figures will be. 63.5 plus 32 plus 64 plus 90. That is going to give us 249.5 answer. All right, I would like you to put your answer in the comment section on this particular one I want to give you. Calculate the relative molecular mass of given that iron is 56 and hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16 and sulfur is 32. So calculate the relative molecular mass of this compound and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.